The registration process is quite onerous. The municipal documentation has multiple sections, one of which is a detailed interrogation of your solar system, the capabilities of it, the size of it, the annual harvest, how much you'll be feeding in, and so forth. You'll need to understand the details about your solar system to complete that section. Second part that needs specialist knowledge is the environment to which you connect, the municipal network. That's typically information that you'll have to get from an electrician that knows the area. And then the second part, which is the easiest, is your particulars, your account number, the meter number, information like that to complete the application form. This application form needs to be bundled with a whole set of documents. The documents include a detailed single line diagram of your system, the electrical single line diagram of the system. That needs to be signed off by a professional engineer. Usually that could be a bit of a challenge for the smaller systems. Also your certificate of compliance. We discussed in one of the previous videos in the series, the certificate of compliance. That must be accompany your application. Certification documentation of the inverter. Also discussed in one of our previous videos that your inverter needs to be certified to be installed in South Africa. So once you've got this whole set of documents prepared and ready to submit, the process usually entails at least one visit, maybe two visits to the municipality, one to get the reference number, then compile all the documents, put the documents together, create the bundle, bind it in some file of some sorts, and then you have to go and hand that in again to your municipality. Some municipalities also require a soft copy to be sent, so all these documents must be scanned, made available in soft copy, to attach that to email and send that off to municipality. So quite a handful, but not impossible.